What if I told you every major physics law, yes, the whole cheat code of the universe, fits into one video? Sounds like clickbait, right? But by the end of this, you'll be able to sound dangerously smart at parties. Trust me, no textbooks, just jokes and apples. Newton's laws, mechanics. Start with Newton. He basically wrote the How Stuff Moves rulebook. First law, stuff is lazy. If nothing pushes it, it stays the same, like me on Sundays. Second law, F equals ma. Push harder, it moves more. Empty shopping cart versus full one, physics wins. Third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Jump off your skateboard, skateboard goes bye-bye. The guy who made being a couch potato scientifically valid. But movement alone doesn't explain why stuff falls. That's gravity's job, and gravity is emotionally complicated. Gravity. Gravity is the clingy's friend of the universe. It never lets go. Newton, masses attract with m1, m2 over r squared. Translation, heavier equals stronger pull, farther equals weaker pull. Einstein, nah, it's not a force so much as space bending. Imagine a big trampoline, put a bowling ball on it, and watch marbles orbit like drama queens. Einstein basically said space is comfy and told planets to stop wandering. Okay, gravity pulls, but why does energy keep changing forms? And why does your coffee cool down so fast? Enter thermodynamics. Energy is the currency of everything. Also, entropy is your room's life plan. First law, energy can't be created or destroyed, only swapped. Pizza to you to running late. Second law, entropy, things get messy, always. Your clean desk is on a timer. Entropy, single-handedly responsible for every where did my charger go moment. Energy moves, heat flows, and then surprise, tiny particles do whatever they want. Quantum time. Quantum mechanics is like the universe with a maybe button. Superposition, particles can be in multiple states until you look. Schrodinger's cat is famous for being the world's shakiest roommate. Uncertainty, can't measure everything exactly. That's not laziness, it's physics. But it's useful. Semiconductors, lasers, and your phone's ability to troll you with terrible autocorrect. Quantum mechanics, where being uncertain is trendy. So, tiny things behave like drama queens. But what if the whole stage, space and time, is also bendy? Einstein again. Relativity. Relativity, time doesn't have one size fits all. Special relativity, speed changes how you measure time and length. Go very fast, time crawls for you. Good news? You'll win at age slowly. General relativity, mass bends space-time. Big mass equals deep dent. That's gravity, but make it geometry. Practical? GPS satellites use relativity corrections, or your maps would send you to a pond. E equals mc squared is basically cosmic Tinder. Energy and mass swiping right on each other. We've covered motion, gravity, energy and entropy, quantum weirdness, and time being moody. But electricity and magnetism are the backstage crew making your life possible. Electromagnetism. The reason your headphones work and your fridge judges you. Electric charges make fields, moving charges make magnetic fields. Maxwell said they're cousins, and everyone agreed. Light is an electromagnetic wave, so lightning is just the sky sending a dramatic text. Maxwell brought electricity and magnetism together like a nerdy matchmaker. All right, you've seen the main players. Time for the grand stitch, how they all hang together. Think of physics like a party with 6 bouncers: mechanics, gravity, thermodynamics, quantum, relativity, and electromagnetism. Different guests, same rules house. Conservation laws, energy, momentum, charge, come from symmetries. Fancy way of saying, if the rules don't change, certain stuff stays constant. Classical physics is a good, chill approximation for everyday life. Quantum and relativity show up when things get extreme or tiny. It's like using a hammer for everything until you meet atoms or black holes. Then you need a Swiss Army knife. Wrap up. So, motion, gravity, energy, and entropy, quantum weirdness, relativity, and electromagnetism. That's the cheat sheet. Short, messy, and surprisingly useful. You're now 10% more intimidating at parties. If you giggled, learned, or at least didn't fall asleep, hit subscribe. Comment which law you want a deep dive on. I'll do it, I promise. And if you want something insane next, we'll dig into the one physics mystery scientists can't agree on: dark matter versus dark energy versus quantum gravity. Spoiler, it involves missing stuff and a lot of furious pencil pushing. Physics, the universe's instruction manual. Also the reason you should probably stop slamming your phone into the floor. Bye.